Guys, today we're going to show you how to make your train go faster. So right now, I'm not that good at explaining stuff, but first just take this and then press this red button. So right now you're going to put on max speed, go on max speed, and first I'm going to put my engine to 100, and then you just type the number you want them to go, and then you'll see what happens. As for Gordon, I'm going to make him go way more faster. So make him go to 110, and then make him go to 105. It didn't work. Hold on, let me try again. Yeah. Faster, you can just make him go to, yeah.